or the man.
Miles from comfort, we have traveled land and sea.
Oy, hello pre, kamusta? So, birthday mo pala. Happy 22nd birthday pre. Ayun, good luck na lang sa career mo. Galingan mo pa.
Ayaw niya umiyak ko.
Miss mo kita pare.
Bayakin natin si
Love you. So, congratulations, happy graduations, happy Halloween, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Ayan.
Kaya for 30 ka na umalis dito.
Good luck sa'yo. More birthdays to come and more powers pre. Good luck.
Gave you another name, switch up the batteries. If you gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. Know with a little hope, you can't shame me. When I am with you, there's no place I'd rather be.
Hello, Magdado Payat. Happy birthday. God bless, good health. And alam mo, mahal kita. Alam mo ba kung nakakamiss sa isang chick pinas ko? Sobrang isa nakakamiss. Pinayo mo baho yung otot. Yung sobrang baho ng otot. Na sobrang lakas. Na sobrang baho na aside sa chat. Ayun, happy birthday. I love you. To infinity and beyond. Happy birthday!
Kevin, bobo ka. Huwag mo ito iiyakan ha. Galing pa itong Lucena kasi bobo ka. Cheers!